Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to express a sphere with this given center here of 1, negative 1, 3, and a radius of 2. And we're going to do this both algebraically and graphically. So let's begin with expressing this algebraically and recall that a sphere is given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared plus z minus c squared equals r squared. And in our case, our center, well, the center of any sphere is given by a comma b comma c. And we're told that our center is at 1, negative 1, 3. So clearly a equals 1, b equals negative 1, c equals 3. So our sphere is x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared plus z minus 3 squared. And we're told that r is equal to 2 in this case. So I know that this equals 4. So there is the sphere algebraically. And actually, I'm going to rearrange. I should have, there we are, moved it like this. And you'll see why in a second. So there we are, there's our sphere algebraically. I want to go ahead and sketch my sphere manually. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and sketched an X, Y, and Z axis and scaled it as well. Please take a moment, pause your video, and do the same. And now let's go ahead and identify this center of 1. So x is equal to 1. And then it goes out to negative 1 here. And then up to z equals 3. So let's go all the way, there we are, to z equals 3. So there is the center of our sphere. Now its radius is 2, so I can go out 2 on either side. There we are, going out 2 along the y-axis. Actually, to make it a little easier to do this, I'm going to go ahead. Now to make this a little easier, I'm going to go ahead and sketch this parallel line. This line, it's parallel to the y-axis. So now that I have that line, I know this is just going to kind of be a little estimate. I'm going to try to go 2 units out on both sides. And that would look like this. And then I can do the same along the z-axis here. 2 units up and 2 units down. There we are. So there's our sphere. Now quickly, let's look at this using technology. So again, I'm using GeoGebra, and I went into the 3D view, and now I'm shifting my view so that X points down left, Y points down right, and Z points up and down. And I'm also going to get rid of the plane and go ahead and type in our equation of x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared. Oops, excuse me, I need to hit the right arrow to get out of that. And then square it, plus z minus 3 squared equals 4. And there we are, our sphere that we wanted. And let's look at it to see if we were correct. Along xy, we went down to 1 and negative 3. What I mean is, you can see that the leftmost part of the circle visible in the xz plane reaches negative 3 along the y-axis and positive 1 along the y-axis. You can go ahead and do this for all the planes. Here would be on the xy plane, and then look at this as a circle on the xz plane. All right, as you can see here, I went ahead and copied and pasted the view from technology, and it's fairly similar. So there you are. Keep calm and math on.